Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use text chat in Rocket League. It's really easy and simple, and let's begin. So first you can use basically pre-made text. So if you, for example, if you are in PS4 or controller and you, for example, press arrow to the left, you should see compliments and you can chat or apologies and way more. So this is the first one, but if you want to message something on your own words, first you need to go on options and make sure on settings that text chat is allow all. And I don't know what you're using. If you're using PC, simply you need to press enter, but I'm using PS4, so I need to press this trackpad here, and as you can see here, send text message appears. So for example, let's write hi and press R2 done, and as you can see here, now I say hi. And if I showed earlier in this video that there is quick chat, so if you want to chat, for example, change quick chat messages, you need to go again on options, settings, chat, and here you can change it whatever you want. All right, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.